Good morning, students. Myself, Balamurli, working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. Here, I would like to share a topic in IC engines, four-stroke and the two-stroke engines. Let's recall what is IC engine. It is an internal combustion engine which has several parts. In order to transfer chemical energy into mechanical energy, this IC engine works in that principle. There are two types. One is two-stroke engine, another one is four-stroke engine. Why IC engines and what will happen without IC engines and the importance of IC engines and applications of IC engines. These are the things today we are going to cover. IC engine is already said it is an internal combustion engine which converts chemical energy into mechanical energy. Here you can see the input of fuel will be acting as chemical energy. There the power is being created by creating a spark in the spark plug so that it creates a burst. So the piston moves down. As it is connected with the crankshaft, it rotates. The rotation energy is transferred to the wheels. This is how a engine works. This is a model marine two-stroke petrol engine. Two-stroke engines are advantages of their high power to weight ratio, simple and lighter design with fewer parts, and ability to operate in any position, making them ideal for power tools and small vehicles like motorcycles and chainsaws. Why IC engines? Fuel is burnt inside the IC engine cylinder and combustion gases act directly on piston bar turbine. Power is produced without internal combustion if it is not an IC engine. Example like petrol engine, diesel engine will be example for IC engines, and working medium will be hot combustion gases. Energy conversion will be chemical energy, heat and mechanical energy. Efficiency will be 20 to 45 40% higher with turbocharging and modern technologies. A typical four-stroke working is being displayed at the right side of the slide. You can see that a four-stroke engine completes a power cycle through four distinct piston movements. Intake, where the air-fuel mixture enters the cylinder. Compression, where the piston compresses the mixture. Power, where the ignited mixture expands and forces the piston to move down. And exhaust, where the burnt gases are expelled. In two-stroke engine, two complete rotations, the four process will be completed. This is the difference between four-stroke engine and two-stroke engine. Importance of IC engines. IC engines has high power to weight ratio, simpler and lighter design, improved mechanical efficiency, better acceleration. IC engine terminologies are better fuel efficiency because gas is consumed once every four strokes, generate less pollution, easier on environment. Can able to find the roadmap for this IC engine? I will explain at the end. So types of IC engine based on type of ignition, based on number of strokes, based on fuel use, based on cycle of operations, based on cylinder arrangement, based on speed. So different applications of IC engine are generate less pollution, easier on the environment, separate oil reservoirs, no pre-mixing oil with fuel, durable, long-lasting, and quieter and less vibrant. We have a small quiz on that. In a two-stroke engine, power is produced during every one revolution of crankshaft, crankshaft, half revolution of crankshaft, and four revolutions of crankshaft. One revolution of crankshaft is the correct answer for two-stroke engine. In case if it is a four-stroke, then two revolutions of crankshaft will be the correct answer. Which of the following is an advantage of four-stroke engine over two-stroke? Uh, Higher power to weight ratio, simpler design and construction, better fuel efficiency and longer life, power stroking every revolution pre-order. The correct answer is better fuel efficiency, longer life. Compared to two-stroke, four-stroke engine will give more fuel efficiency, that is more mileage compared to two-stroke, and also give the more life of the engine more than that two-stroke engine life. In a two-stroke petrol engine, the removal of exhaust gas and the entry of fresh charge is known as scavenging, compression, expansion, ignition. It's called scavenging. Why does a four-stroke engine generally produce less power than a two-stroke? They have more moving parts as valves instead of port, higher compression ratio, the power stroke of for every two revolutions. The correct answer is power stroke for every two revolutions. I hope you understand the basic concept of IC engines, application advantages and disadvantages. Thank you.